Go ahead.
Hi class. Today we are going to be making rainbows for April. This is what it's going to look like when we're done. It's a nice cute little rainbow with some clouds. We need clouds and rains to make a rainbow because without the rain there's no light to reflect off of the water vapor in the clouds to make the rainbow. So this is what it's going to look like, and after you have it you'll have a nice little rainbow at home. For this project, you're going to need the colors of the rainbow, which is red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo, which is dark blue, and violet, which is purple. So a good way to remember that is Roy G. Biv, the name Roy G. Biv. Okay, so you gather these colors. You're going to need a stapler, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. Okay. Also a piece of white paper for your clouds. Okay, first step is you're going to make some strips of paper. Now to do that, what I did was I just folded a piece of paper until I saw 1 inch in. So I took all my papers together and folded them in and made a crease. I used the back of my scissors to crease it. Nice and hard. Open it up, fold it the other way, crease it again. This way they're all going to be the same size. And then like 2 or 3 at a time, 1 at a time if you want. Maybe a brother or sister or mom can help you with this, or grandma. You're going to cut the paper strips. So quickly cut your strips down. So here's 3. I'll grab that's 3. Alright. So I don't need these anymore. I'm going to clear off my table. Alright. Now I want to put them in the color they got to go. Roy G. Biv. Red, yellow, orange, green, blue, light blue, and purple. So I got all my colors. So now I have to make them so that they're going to fold to make this nice little rainbow fold. To do that, they got to be smaller as they go down. So for each one, I'm going to take them, lay them in front of me, and I'm going to take a pen or a pencil, marker, whatever you have, and I'm just going to draw a line 1 inch down from each one. And I'm going to make it like a step. So each one I'm going step down. So the yellow's 1 step less, orange is 1 step less than yellow, green is 1 step less than orange, blue is 1 step less than green, dark blue is 1 step less than light green, and purple is 1 step less than the dark green. So as you can see, I put these little lines on it. Then with my scissors, I'm just quickly going to snip it off. Snip. And each snip is going to get a little bit bigger. Snip. 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 And I want to keep them in that order I need them. I need the same order of the rainbow, because the rainbow is always found in the same order. So now I have all my colors, and they kind of look like a xylophone when you're playing music in Miss Emily's class. Bing, 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 bing. Okay, so here I have them, my colors of the rainbow, going down on an angle. I'm going to take my biggest one, and I'm going to stack them. So I'm picking up all the colors. I'm keeping them in a nice, neat file. I'm putting them on top of each other. And then I'm going to take my stapler. I'm going to put a nice little staple right there. Be careful when you do this, you don't want to hurt yourself. Okay, got that? Then what I want to do is I'm going to make the rainbow part. So I'm going to take them, take the smallest end. I'm going to put the next one to the smallest one. The next one to the smallest one. I have noisy birds, don't I? Next one to the smallest one. The next one. The next one. The next one. Voila! See my rainbow? And I'm going to use my stapler again. Don't let go of this. You'll have to redo it. And I'll put a nice staple right there. So here I have my rainbow. Now what you want to do is make your clouds. So that's when you're going to grab a little strip of white paper, any size white paper you have. So in this white paper I just folded it in half because I want at least 2 clouds. In this one I put 2 on each side, so it's 4 clouds, but you just need 2. So with a marker I'm going to make a cloud. I'm going to use the letter C. The letter C. So I'm going to make a big C. See my C? And I'm going to do another C. C. Another C. Maybe another C. Another C. And a U. Okay? So I've got a cloud. Now I'm going to cut them out. So I'm cutting 2 at a time if I do it this way. See, the paper's folded, so I'm going to cut 2 of them. With my scissors, I'm just going to cut them out. And out he comes. Right here. He's getting cut out. And out he goes. Here he is. 1 cloud and a second cloud. So now with the clouds, I'm going to use my glue stick. And I want to glue my clouds right here at the end of the rainbow. Okay, the end of the rainbow. So I'm going to put some glue right here at the end. I'm going to put some glue on my cloud. And I'm going to stick them on. And I'm going to put some glue on this one. And this one. Stick him on. There we go. Now my clouds are on. See my clouds? Sorry. Here are my clouds. Very nice. Okay. Now I want to hang some raindrops because remember we need the rain in order to have a rainbow. So I'm going to take my little strip of paper again, one of these strips I have, and I want to make just some tiny strips of paper. So I'm going to take the end, and I'm just gently going to cut a little bit of paper. So here's 1. I'm going to cut another one. 2. 3. And we want to talk about watercolors for a second. What color does water remind you of? You want to think of blues and purples, right? So I'm going to pick this blue up, the scraps I cut off, this blue, and a purple maybe. And I'll put them all together. And I'm going to draw the letter U on them. The letter U, okay? So I'm going to draw a big U on it for my raindrop. I'm going to draw a big U, like a cat tongue almost. See it? The big letter U. And then I'm going to cut it out with my scissors. Carefully cut it out. No right or wrong in art. Whatever we decide is fine. And I got 3 little raindrops now. So I'm going to put raindrops on the bottom of my little strips of paper. So using my glue stick again, I'm just going to clear off my table a little bit so you guys can see a little. And I'm going to take a little bit of glue, pop it right here, put my raindrop on the bottom. And then I'm going to take my raindrop and I'm going to put him right here, attach him to my cloud maybe, wherever I want to put him. I'm going to grab another raindrop. This time I might make this a little shorter. I might rip a little piece off. No right or wrong. Whatever you decide is going to be fine. This is a light blue one. I'm going to stick him in the middle. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to take him and I'm going to fold him this time at the top. I'm going to stick him on the bottom of the purple. Just like that, I stuck him on the bottom. No right or wrong. Okay, so I got 2 strips. I'm going to take my other purple. I'm going to take another strip, put a little strip on top, glue him up to my cloud. Got him on my cloud. Oh, my cloud's falling off. I better put a little more glue on it. And I'm going to stick my raindrop on the bottom of it. So to do that, I'm just going to put some glue on the bottom and rain on it. Take them up, and we have a rainbow. Now we have 2 rainbows. Beautiful. So Roy G. Biv are the color of the rainbows. Now if you wanted to do the heart rainbow that I showed next to it, it's really simple. You just take your rainbow colors, which are right here. Let me just grab them again. Red, yellow, orange. You guys know this by now. Red, yellow, orange, green, blue, dark blue, indigo, and purple. I'm going to do the same thing, make them a little shorter each time. So I just going to draw them like they're steps down a little bit off, a little bit more off the next one, a little bit more off the next one than that, a little bit more off the next one than that, a little bit more off the next one. I like to lay them out so I see my steps going down. A little bit more off the next one, a little bit more off the next one, and last but not least, my purple, my violet. So I have my xylophone effect again. Make my rainbow, but this time I'm just going to make it, stack them. Staple. But this time when I'm going to do it, I'm going to put them in together. You're going to make 2 of these, and when you do it, you're just going to form a heart with it. And you make a whole paper chain of a heart. It looks really pretty. So I'm going to staple it. So here's one. I'm just going to gather these ones up. Stacking my colors of the rainbow in the order they go, always in the same order. Glory to Biv. Put them together. Put my staple at the bottom. Get a little purple in there, he's escaping. Got him. This guy up. Staple it. And this time I just want to make them look like a heart. So I just put them together like this. And wrap them together. And you have your little rainbow hearts. Okay? And you make a whole bunch of these, string them together, and you have rainbow hearts. Have a great week. Miss you guys. I hope everything goes well. Have fun with this. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. Take care. See you next week.